Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bridget Wint. In this video I'm going to share with you items that I believe are essential for you to pack when considering going on a safari in Africa. Stay tuned. Okay, it's gonna roll for us. Come on now, that's right. Welcome back to my channel. If we've never met before, my name is Bridget Wint and I am coming to you from Kafue Game Park. Actually, that is Kafue Game Park and this is the game management area, GMA, and I will tell you what the difference is. But for right now, since I've had quite a bit of experience doing safaris and packing for a safari, let me share with you a few things that you need to bring with you on a safari. You see this scarf around my hair? Definitely bring one if you are a lady, or you can bring a hat if you prefer. And for guys, definitely bring a hat, because as you drive around in a safari vehicle, your hair will be out of place and it's good to have a hat or some sort of covering, and it's very sunny. Second thing, always bring sunscreen lotion. The sun in the southern hemisphere is intense. I mean, the weather is beautiful. It's rarely humid here in Zambia, but you will definitely need sunscreen to protect your skin. The third thing you need to bring is a water bottle. Okay, so sometimes you travel long distances, and most likely if you have a good team like I've traveled with, they will bring cool drinks for you. But just in case you don't get that, bring a water bottle. Always have some water handy when you are traveling from place to place on a safari. The next thing I would say is make sure you bring an extra battery for your phone or your camera, just in case you run out and there's so much activity. You don't want to be reaching for a camera or a phone that's dead. So bring an extra battery for your phone. What I do is I bring two of them, one that I can charge up using electricity when I have access to it. You can bring a solar charger or one that you can recharge using electricity. On any safari, you want to be able to see animals and birds from a distance. These binoculars are a perfect way to achieve that goal, and this particular pair of binoculars is by Sobris. They were kind enough to gift this to me. This is not a paid review by any means. They are strong and durable, and the zoom is fantastic. They come in this little pouch. The only little negative that I see is in the instructions. Some things definitely get lost in translation, but once you figure out how to use them, which is actually they're really easy to use, you will enjoy these for a long time. So I highly recommend them. Welcome to Kafue River Lodge. I just arrived and look at the beautiful environment. That is my view. This is literally from the deck. Another piece of paradise that you're welcome to come and explore and visit. It's absolutely stunning. I can see hippos in the background, and I'll be showing you more pictures and videos. Yeah, there are hippos back there. Continuing with my list of things that I believe you should bring on a safari, you definitely need some kind of bug spray, insect repellent, because we are in the bush and there are bugs everywhere. Bring some insect repellent because that will make your journey a lot more comfortable. Another thing I recommend that you bring is hand sanitizer. Because you don't always have access to water, so hand sanitizer and some wipes, throw those in your backpack and they're going to be very, very handy. For the ladies, of course, you can do with your face whatever you like, but I recommend that you keep your makeup minimal because sometimes you get very sweaty in this weather, but actually the weather right now is like perfect. But in case it gets really hot, you don't want your face running while you're in the middle of the bush. So keep your makeup to a minimum, okay, which is what I've been doing. A little bit of lipstick. And for those that don't care about makeup, ignore this part. And if you are into jewelry, I say keep it to a minimum, especially anything that is loose and it can easily get lost. Keep it to a minimum. And actually, while you are here in Zambia, there are many places where you can buy jewelry like earrings and bracelets and all kinds of things. So I would say keep it to a minimum, especially if you don't want to lose something that you treasure. Leave it home. Leave it home. That is my suggestion. Other than that, I would say bring a mask or some kind of handkerchief that you can put around your nose, especially if you are allergic to dust, because the roads are dusty on the safari. So you just want to bring that with you to make sure you have something to cover yourself with. Otherwise, it's enjoyable. That is something just to consider. Another thing I recommend is that you avoid sweet smelling perfumes and lotions. Listen, this is what I like, but I realize that out here there are bugs that are really interested in that kind of thing, so you just have to watch out for that. Next recommendation on my packing list, always have extra padded cases to store your camera and your phones and anything that is delicate and can easily break. Next up, have enough underwear. That is self-explanatory. You may not have many chances to do your wash, although the lodges where I've been have laundry, but I would say just have extra underwear, because by the way, here in Africa it is considered rude for you to ask somebody else to clean your underwear. Next up, always have a small pouch where you can put your passport, your money, and any other important documents, because you don't want to leave that laying around, just for your own comfort and safety and security. Keep all your IDs together, keep them in your backpack so that in case of anything, you at least have those important documents. Next up, always have eyeglasses to shield your eyes. Most likely you're going to travel in an open truck, and other than heavy wind on your face, there are bugs, there's all kinds of stuff. So eyeglasses are extremely important to protect your eyes. Another thing you should bring with you is a notebook and pen, or something else, whatever you can use, a digital way to record important moments other than your video and camera equipment. Your guide may mention details of birds, animals, or anything that's of interest. You want to jot that down, so a piece of paper or a digital place to put down your thoughts is a great place.
The oldest female is the leader, and they do communicate through infrasound. Infrasound is a sound that a human ear cannot hear.
Alongside with that is I recommend recording your thoughts and feelings. Unfortunately, I really didn't do this. I love to journal, but I found myself running, and I should have taken the time every evening to record my thoughts and my feelings, because these experiences are so powerful and so rare, and you're going to learn things about yourself that you probably didn't even know before. So journaling, I highly recommend. I think the best thing you should pack is a good attitude. A good attitude will help you navigate anything in Africa. Zambians are very kind, they are very friendly, they are very welcoming, and when you have a good attitude, it definitely just enhances your experience. People that come with a demanding, rude and selfish attitude will not experience Africa at its best. When you come to Kasonso camp, they treat you like royalty. On your last night, right in the middle of the game park, you get to have a lovely snack time, dining in front of all these animals. There's a lot in the background, and I know you can't see all of them, but I can see them with the naked eye. It's a beautiful environment. What you see in the background there are palm trees, and they grow naturally over here. So you send me a message and I will create a package for you so you can do what I just did. I've been here for 4 nights and I have been blown away. I have 2 more camps where I get to visit, and I'm going to be sharing more about that. So if you've never been to Africa, I am inviting you to come. You will be so amazed at what you find. Today we saw a hippo, I've seen lions, I've seen zebras, and all kinds of animals here in the Kafue Game Park. I trust the information I've provided for you is going to be helpful. Please give this video a like and share it with anybody that's interested in doing a safari in Africa. This is Bridget Wint, signing off from the land of my ancestors, right in front of the Kafue River. God bless and see you soon.